Hello YouTube, this will be a short video unboxing a small package here that a viewer sent to me. This is the first one that I have received, and I opened it a little bit before and I instantly noticed that it seemed to be some very nice stuff in here, so I thought that I would make a short video unboxing it. I think that might be interesting. The guy who sent it has a company called Fabritech, Swedish based company, and the first thing I noticed was that it said Sandvik here, so then I thought that this might be worth making a video about. So let's take a look at these ones. I didn't know that one could put them in each other like that. So then it was some more stuff in here. Piece of aluminium, or aluminum, as some of you might say. Always nice. SS 4212. Nice. But he sent even more stuff. Here we have something from Metal. Carbide end mill, 10 millimeters. Seem to be used, but in pretty good condition. So thanks for that. I will try these ones on a router. Here we got some more aluminium. For the M-carton lathe. And here we got some small boxes as well. Preferred. Haven't heard of that brand before. Seem to be some kind of burrs, I think they're called in English. Very nice. Looking forward to try these ones out, and yeah, huge thanks to Filip on Fabritech. Really appreciate it. Didn't expect you sending me this nice of stuff, really. So I was very positively surprised when I opened the box and thought that I must record it and upload it. If you would like to send me something, feel free to to ask for my address on Instagram or send me an email.